Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to teach you how to apply a ceramic coating to your leather seats. So ceramic coatings have very high durability. They have insane hydrophobic capabilities. Also, they'll help repel any dye transfer that you can have from your jeans. And they also have built-in UV inhibitors. So for the ultimate way of protecting your leather seats, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome back to all my regular viewers. And for all the new viewers out there who have never seen one of my videos, if you guys want to learn tips and tricks on car detailing, well, make sure that you hit the subscribe button found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Also, click the bell icon. That's to be notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to give your leather seats the ultimate protection. So we're going to talk about ceramic coatings for leather. So more specifically, one from CarPro. This is CarPro CQuartz Leather. And this one from Gyeon. This is Gyeon Leather Shield. So these two are very high quality, very comparable. And by the way, guys, I'll drop the links in the description down below to all the products used in this video for you guys to check them out. So what exactly is a ceramic coating for leather? Well, it's a quartz-based or SiO2-based coating, meaning that in this bottle, you get a chemical that is super hydrophobic. It's gonna resist a lot of chemicals. It's gonna resist also dye transfer. It has very high durability, so this will last anywhere from 1 to 2 years depending on usage. And it also has built-in UV inhibitors, so it's highly UV proof. So when do we use the CQuartz leather? Well, essentially on new leather. So if you buy a new car and want to protect its finish, this is when you apply something like CarPro CQuartz Leather or even Gyeon Leather Shield. Now this is another SiO2 based leather coating. So they're super easy to apply. The cool thing about them is that they also leave the original matte finish on your leather, so it does not alter the color or the texture of the leather, so that's super important. And also it's very, very easy to apply. In each kit, you basically get your coating itself in 30 milliliter or 50 milliliter forms. You can do a normal average sized car with roughly 30 milliliters of product, so the front seats and the rear seats. It comes with a foam applicator block like this one, just like all ceramic coatings. It also comes with micro suede applicators that you wrap around the foam block. That way you can apply the product. Applying a leather coating is actually super easy. So first of all, you have to make sure that your leather seats are clean. So you're gonna use a dedicated leather cleaner or interior cleaner, something like CarPro Inside. Gyeon also make their own leather cleaner. So you basically spray on the surface, you agitate with something like a leather brush or a microfiber towel. I really like these dedicated leather brushes. This one is from Swissvax. Color Lock also make their own. Basically, there are a bunch of them. These are very soft bristles that are designed for leather. So you're gonna agitate the product to make sure you remove any oils or any dirt that's on the surface, and you wipe away with a microfiber towel. When you're done applying something like CarPro Inside, you wanna use a damp microfiber towel with just a bit of water to make it damp, and then you remove any excess residue. So that way your seats are gonna be clean, they will be oil-free as well, and ready to receive a ceramic coating. So now that your seats are clean, all you need to do is basically take your foam applicator block, you take one of the micro suedes, you wrap it around your block, you're gonna take your CQuartz leather or your Gyeon Leather Shield, you're gonna apply a couple of drops directly onto the foam applicator, and you're gonna wipe onto your leather seats. This is also good for any vinyl surface, any interior plastics or wood as well. And once you're done applying, make sure you hit all the creases as well in the seats. And you're gonna let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you're gonna use a dry microfiber towel to wipe away any excess or residue. So CarPro CQuartz Leather is dry to the touch 10 minutes after applying. You can also apply a second layer if you wish. Just make sure you wait at least half an hour after your initial application. Also, make sure you avoid to expose the leather surface to any water for at least 4 hours. And then 3 to 4 days later, the whole thing is actually fully cured. So just as a side note, keep in mind that a ceramic coating on leather is not meant to restore leather, but rather it's to protect the finish. That's why we apply it on new seats or seats that aren't damaged. So keep that in mind. But also the cool thing about it is it's easy maintenance. So all you need to clean the seats after you've applied the leather coating is basically a damp microfiber towel. You wipe away and that's it. So it's super easy maintenance. The other cool thing about leather coatings like CarPro CQuartz Leather or Geon Leather Shield is that they do not alter the feel or the look of your leather, so it's going to maintain that original matte finish straight from the factory and give you amazing protection for years to come. So guys, you saw how easy that was. Now you'll be able to repeat the same steps yourselves at home. Once again, I'll make sure to include all the links to the products that I talked about in the description down below for you guys to check them out. If you want to continue learning more tips and tricks and how-to videos about car detailing and other super interesting subjects, make sure that you click the subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, like always, thanks for being there. Thanks for being such a great support for the Pan the Organizer YouTube channel. And in the meantime, as usual, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.